If you don't have the design tools to create your own custom templates, please feel free to look on Etsy platform because you'll find a huge collection of custom templates to use. I'm going to show you how to download the templates from Etsy and how to use them on Noteshelf. Whenever you download some templates on my Etsy store, you will find them available as a PDF or a zip folder. For Noteshelf, I suggest to use the PDF. So I'm going to download the PDF and I'm going to save it. Save to files. And I have the option to save it to Dropbox as well, just in case I don't want to save them on my iPad. I'm going to choose a folder, videos, and then hit save. Now, there is one other way to send this PDF file to Noteshelf. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. That's why I put it second. So here you click on more and search for a copy to Noteshelf. Let's see if it works. Yes, probably my internet connection is good today. So this worked. Now this is the PDF file with templates that I have available in my shop. You can use these to create business notebooks. You can use 1, 2, 3 or all of these pages to create your meeting notebooks. I'm going to show you how to export these pages as templates. You have two options. If you click on the share button here and click current page, you have the option to save Noteshelf and PNG for this particular task. If you're going to save them as Noteshelf files, you can save one or a bundle of pages. If you, however, want to export just one page, you can use either Noteshelf or the PNG file. Exporting as a PNG file has its advantages, and I'm going to show you why. But first, let's export as a Noteshelf. First, let's export as a one-page Noteshelf. So, current page, and let's give it a name. Just to detect this faster, I'm going to say Noteshelf one page. Okay, share now. And then I have this option to save as a template, and that's it. Then if I want to save a bundle of pages, share, select pages. So I'm going to only select the weekly page, the notes page, the meeting page, and probably the category list. Okay, so I have 4 pages selected and click share. Noteshelf 4 pages. Okay, let's share and save as a template. And it's done. Now let's also save one page as a PNG template. Let's take this one. Share, current page, change to PNG. PNG. Okay. Show page background should be activated, otherwise you will see a blank page. And then share now. And save image or save file. Now let's see how to use the templates you have just saved. Let's create a new notebook. And for the inner pages, let's choose Noteshelf one page. So this is it. Now see that we don't have any other pages. Let's leave it like that. Now let's create a new notebook for Noteshelf 4 pages. Custom 4. Okay, for the Noteshelf with 4 pages, you see that I have the 4 pages added here. To duplicate a page, edit, select, and duplicate that page. To move this page, you can just tap and move it around. And this way you can adjust your notebook as needed. But make sure that whenever you add a new page like this, you will know that a blank page will appear. And same is for this notebook. This is the notebook with one page. If you drag and release, a new blank page will appear, not this one. And this is because you have used the Noteshelf extension to save the templates. However, you can create a notebook with a custom template for every single page you are creating by using the PNG file. So let's create a new notebook, and let's choose this time from the custom, let's choose to add the PNG file of the daily meeting page, PNG, that we saved previously. Let's just change the cover, daily meeting. And then you have the daily meeting. Of course, no page, but if you drag and release, a new day page is going to be right here.